Hello everyone, and welcome to the first session of YouthMappers QGIS Workshop Series. In this session, I will offer a brief introduction to the QGIS interface and show you some of the features that are available for you to use. When you open up QGIS, you will be presented with this screen. To create a new project, you will simply double-click on New Empty Project. If you are trying to open a pre-existing project file, at the top left corner, click Project, and you can select Open to find your project file. In QGIS, this is the map canvas, this white part of the screen here. As you add new data, raster layers, or vector layers, they will appear here. On the left-hand side, we have two panels, the Browser panel and the Layers panel that we will get into shortly. At the top, you have various toolbars. These are quickly and easily accessible tools that you may find yourself using a lot. Both the toolbars and your panels are customizable by going to View at the top and scrolling down to Panels and Toolbars. Here, you can select and deselect the panels toolbars of your choosing. In the next session, I will go further into depth about how to add toolbars and panels.